Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking the brand new DJI RS4 Mini paired with the Canon R6 Mark II and the RF 2470 f2.8 out for a spin. Is this the ultimate vlogging and content creator setup for 2025? Let's find out. So, I mounted the R6 Mark II with the 2470 f2.8 on the RS4 Mini. And honestly, this is a bit heavier than usual for a mini gimbal. But DJI claims this thing can handle it, no problem. Balancing it took me just a few minutes thanks to the quick release system. Once balanced, this setup feels surprisingly well balanced in hand. So here's the real test. Walking and vlogging, just like I normally would on a travel vlog. The footage looks super smooth even in this heavier RF zoom lens, no noticeable jitters, and I'm not even trying that hard. And here's where things get even better. You can still nail those cinematic low angle shots and slow pans, perfect for B-roll in your vlogs, and gimbal motors are holding up like a champ. Time to step it up. Literally, let's fast walk or jog a bit and check how they stabilize. Crazy smooth, right? It barely looks like I'm moving. So after a full day of vlogging with this combo, I'm super impressed with how the RS4 Mini handled the Canon R6 Mark II and this big RF 2470 f2.8 lens. Definitely a solid pick for vloggers and filmmakers who want mobility without sacrificing quality. If you like this hands-on vlog, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment. Would you rock this setup for your own vlogs? I'll see you in the next video. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.